Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use wish coins in Archero 2. So, if you're wondering where to spend them and what they're for, yeah, I've got you covered. Alright, first things first. To use wish coins, head to the bottom left corner of your screen and open the shop. Inside the shop, you should see a section called wishes. Now, here's the thing, the wish feature isn't available right away. You'll need to progress further into the story chapters to unlock it. Once unlocked, you'll also get access to artifacts, and these are a huge power boost for your hero. Once the wish section is unlocked, you can start spending your wish coins here. You can either wish one at a time or use the X10 wish option if you've saved up enough coins. Every time you make a wish, you'll receive an artifact. These artifacts increase your stats and make progressing through harder chapters much easier. You're also guaranteed an epic artifact within 19 attempts and a legendary or even mythic artifact after 23 attempts. So yeah, the more you wish, the better the rewards. And that's it. That's how you use wish coins in Archero 2. Save them up, unlock the wish section, and start grabbing those powerful artifacts. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial.